Good morning children. Today we are going to learn patterns. Okay, patterns means some designs, repeated. The designs are repeated again and again and it makes a beautiful design. That is called a pattern. Okay, you have seen in your house when the windows are drilled. Okay, now like this it will be there. Like this it will be there and it will be repeated everywhere in the grill you have seen. Okay, so this is one of the pattern. It is one of the design and it is repeated again and again and it makes one pattern. Okay, one beautiful design. That is called pattern. And this pattern follows particular rule. Now they will have a rule. Now this has the rule that it is in square box and in the middle there is one circle and there is a line. In the diagonal lines are there. Okay, so this is the rule and this is the rule followed everywhere. Okay, and this pattern we see in our life. Everywhere we are seeing. We see in the nature also. Nature means you can see each tree has its own pattern of leaf. Okay, now bamboo leaf will not be the same as the leaf of a hibiscus. No, it is different. Again, now if you see the papaya leaf, it has its own pattern. Okay, bamboo has its own pattern and papaya has its own pattern. And like that, no, each tree or plants it has its own pattern in its leaves and in its flowers and in its fruits. No, it has its own pattern and that follows the whole tree. Now, if you see coconut tree, the leaves of the coconut tree in the whole wherever the coconut tree is there, the pattern is the same. Okay, it does not differ from one tree to another. But the coconut tree and mango tree, the pattern is different because mango tree has its own pattern and the coconut tree has its own pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern in nature. Again, in home means you will see it in window and grill. Again, many things you can find it. Even in the tray, what we are using to bring the things in the coffee tray or snacks tray, there will be a pattern. Again, the dress where we are wearing, sometimes there will be a pattern. Some flowers or some text will be written, so there will be a pattern. Again, carpets. Using at home the doormat and carpets, it has its own pattern. Some designs are there. Again, tiles. Again, now you have seen many houses have different tiles, and each tile has its own pattern. Again, ceilings. Even on the top of the house ceiling also they make a pattern. Again, buildings also it has its own pattern. Clothes, printed clothes, you can see the pattern. Again, rangoli. Rangoli is the special for pattern. So we make pattern and with that pattern we make a design. Beautiful design that is called rangoli. Again, windows already explained, there are patterns in windows also. Okay, so pattern is nothing, you won't find it difficult to understand and even know. And it has the rules, that rules we will see. Okay, so it is particular rules are there. So let's see. It will be increase or decrease. Okay, that means the numbers can become more and more, otherwise it can become less and less in size, otherwise number. Sometimes in size it will become more, otherwise big. Otherwise in number it will become more or small. Okay, so this is increase or decrease in size and number. Okay, so that I have given example here. So this is the size. Okay, and the numbers are increasing again plus the size also increasing. Okay, it can be in decrease order also. It is either given in increase order. Again, patterns repeat themselves. If it does not repeat, it is not a pattern. It has to repeat again and again. Then only it is a pattern. Okay, so pattern repeats themselves. Now see here, this is square, again circle, rectangle. Again this pattern is repeated again. Square, circle and rectangle, triangle. Okay, if it is not repeated, it is not a pattern. Since it is repeating again, that's why it is called a pattern. Again, patterns may change direction. It is not necessary that it has to go in one direction. It can go in any direction. Okay. Now see here in this square, in this corner, down, left corner, there is a circle is there. And next picture, the direction is changed. The circle goes to the right side down corner. Okay. Again, next picture, in this pattern, the circle has gone on the top of the right corner. Okay, again here on top of the left corner. So this is the way it can change its direction also. Again, patterns, it is not only in designs like this, it can be in alphabets and numbers, sometimes both mixed also can be patterns. Okay, so here I have given with alphabets, so it is repeating again and again. Again here it is in numbers. Sometimes both mixed also patterns can be there. Okay, it can be in designs with the drawings, and sometimes in numbers and alphabets also patterns can be. Okay, so these are the rules for patterns. Okay, this you would have learned last year, but if you have not learned now, you remember. Okay, it is not given in your book, but class 3 books it is given, so keep in mind. Okay, now let's see patterns in numbers and letters. Okay, first we will see numbers. Okay, numbers, what we can do with the numbers? We can arrange the numbers, otherwise we can use it with the 4 operations in basic operation in maths, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Only these 4 operations you can use in number pattern, and this sometimes this 4 operation can be combined also, sometimes only one operation can be found. Now see here, this one first example here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, this is a pattern. This you can say it even numbers. Okay, all the even numbers it comes. That way you can take it. Otherwise, it is just added 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, so this is the pattern here is plus 2. If you add plus 2 with the number, you will get the next pattern of the number. Okay, that way it goes. And here if you see 750, 725, 700, 675, 650 it is going. You see 750, this is 725. This is big, this is small. So the first number is bigger, second number is small. So this is decreasing. Okay, so decreasing means it can be minus, otherwise divide. Okay, if it is decreasing in small number, then it is minus. If it is decreasing in number is decreased number is bigger and bigger, if it is going, that is divide. Okay, so divide we are not going to have here, so we will see only minus. So from 750, if you minus 25, if you minus 25, you will get 725. Okay, again from 725, if you minus 25, you will get 700. From 700, if you minus 25, you will get 675. Okay, so this pattern is, you will get by minusing 25 from the number, you will get the next pattern of the number. Okay, so this is in addition, this is in subtraction. Again, now here you see the number, when it is come big number, you can just observe and go. So instead of minusing and finding it, just you can observe. You can see here now the thousands place, 4 is here, there also 4 everywhere, 4 is there. Again, here 9 and here 8 is there. So here is a change is here. But here you see 8, here also 8, and here 0, and here also 0. So in these 4 digits, these 3 digits are same. Ones place, tens place, thousands place remains the same. Only in hundreds place there is a change. So you find what is the change here. So here 9 is becoming 8. That means only 1 is less, it is becoming. Okay, so in hundreds place it is becoming only 1 less. That means 100. So 100 you have to minus from each one. Okay, that way you can take it. Otherwise in hundreds place, just you decrease the number by 1. Okay, so you will get the next pattern. Okay, so this is just observing, you can do it. Okay, now let's see how to find the next pattern of the number. Observe the pattern and complete it. Now see here pattern is given, now how to find it. Now 3 and next number is 8. So how you will get from 3, if you plus 5, you will get 8. Okay, now with 8, if you plus 5, you will get 13. So you are getting the next number. Okay, so this pattern is plus 5. If you plus 5 to the number, you will get the next pattern of the number. So now you know the rule. Okay, first you find the rule, then you can find the answer. So since you have found the rule, now let's with the same rule we will follow the pattern. Now with this number you have to plus 5. So 28 plus 5, what you will get? 33. Okay, so here it will come 33. Again with 33, if you plus 5, you will get 38. So here the answer is 38. Again with 38, if you plus 5, you will get 43. So here the answer is 43. Okay, so to find the missing number pattern, you find the rule of the pattern. What is the rule here? Whether it is decreased or increased, you find it. Then with the same rule, you find the missing numbers. Okay, so this is the number pattern. Now let's see combined. Okay, multiply by 2 and minus 1. Now the rule is there. We will make a pattern there, number pattern. So this combined, multiply also is there, minus also there, subtract also is there. Okay, so first I am taking the number 1. Okay, so now I am going to, using this rule, I am going to make a next pattern. Okay, so with this number you have to multiply by 2. So 2 ones are 2, then you have to minus 1. So 2 ones are 2, so 2 minus 1, you will get 1. Okay, if you 1 if you start, you will get the same number, so we will start with 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, you will get 3. So the next number is 3. Okay, now 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Again, 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 1, 9. 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 1, 17. Okay, so this pattern will go like this. Okay, so combined, this is the way also pattern can be the combined operation. Okay, now let's see the number towers. Okay, so like a tower, tower goes up and up, that way we are now going to build the number like a tower up and up. Okay, so first I am writing it in the table. I am taking odd number. I am taking here 1. Next odd number is 3. Next odd number is 5. So 3 numbers I have taken. So here I am going to use the addition. Okay, addition operation. Now 1 plus 3. Now these two you will add and you will write here. Okay, here is the column here. Now 1 plus 3, 4. Okay, now this 2. Okay, this 2 you will add and write on the top of this 2 column. Okay, so 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, now this 2 you will add and write here. 4 plus 8, it is 12. Okay, so this goes like a tower. So this is called number tower. Okay, this is in addition. Even multiplication also you can make. Okay, now I am writing the consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means next numbers. So just at random I am taking 2, again 3, again 4. Okay, now I am going to multiply. I am going to use the operation multiply. Now 2 and 3 are to multiply. 2 3s are 6. 3 4s are 12. Okay, now this we have to multiply. 6 12s are 72. Okay, so this is multiplication. The number towers in multiplication, this is in addition. Okay, so this is the way also number pattern can be number towers also. Next one, the interesting one, coding.